What's good, YouTube? Back in the garage with another quick install vid. The stock mirrors are finally getting swapped out on the Lowrider S. What am I going to? Let's see. I know, another Advan Black product. Let's see what we got. We got stickers. Most important thing in the package. Stickers. Let's set those there. There we go. What do you think? Let's get these swapped on here. Yeah, I think it's a 1/2 inch to get that acorn. What is that? An acorn nut? Is that what they call them? Acorn nut off the bottom of there, and get these on there. The carbon fiber on the back. All right, let's go ahead and get this off here and get the new ones on. 1/2 inch, like I said. And these, you just gotta bust them loose, and the rest, and they just come off. Should be a fast, easy, quick install. Should change the whole look of the bike. These things are heavy too. So the Advan Black ones come with like a hex bolt versus that acorn nut, what you call you call it. So pretty much it. And you flip that there, a little something like that. I'm gonna reuse that this little piece right here. I think it's meant for it to not spin on this handle here. But I'm also gonna Loctite this. That blue goodness. So real quick, it's not tightened up, but let's see. Stock. Advan. I'm almost tempted to put them on the bottom. Like instead of being up here, put them down here. But they will for sure hit this fairing if I put them down here. So that's why I never switched them down. I like the look down here, but it will hit the speaker and hit the fairing, so that's why I always kept them up top. But let's take this one off and get the new one on. Alright, real quick, they're on there. See, look, bar kind of turned. Let's see if I can straighten my wheel out right there. There we go. It looks sleeker. Definitely look better. But I'll adjust them. And that's pretty much it, man. Advan Black. Nice mirrors. They come in a bunch of different colors. Nice little carbon fiber inlay here on the back side. So if you like them, you want to grab you a pair, go on the website. They got a bunch of colors: blue, red, black, and a variety. It's a variety of different colors. I'm gonna post the description below. You guys check them out. There you go, mirrors on the bike. Let me know what you guys think. How they look. Yay, nay. Open to all opinions. That being said, easy install vid, fast one today. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one.